How to post an Instagram story layout. Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how to post an Instagram story layout with multiple pictures. When you open up your Instagram and let's say that you want to post multiple pictures in one story but don't have them like unorganized and have them all in a layout, you do the following. You hold on to your Instagram story and select add to your story. And now we select the picture that we want just by holding on to them, and this little marker will pop up. Now select the stories and the pictures you want to share and select next. And you'll be prompted, do you want them in a layout or do you want them separate? Select layout. In a layout it will be basically displayed like this. You can choose the layout from here, like if you want you can do it like this, and select done, and then select post to your story, and that's it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.